Hi, I am Jaykumar. I am from Tenet Technetronics. Now I am going to show how to control the LED matrix and how to create the font using Comet. See, Comet is a clone of Arduino, and this is a LED matrix. This 16 x 16 LED matrix. This 16 x 16 totally 256 LEDs. These 250 LEDs controlling by 4 shift registers. These are 2 for the rows and these 2 for columns. And these are the data latch clock pins for this LED matrix. Now this is a powered Comet board. Now these characters that it will support 0 to 9 and A to Z characters. Now I am typing 1 and in display is a 1. So it will support 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now I am connected to 3 matrix. Each matrix having one controller. Each controller is connected through serially. See, now I am typing. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, log in on www.tenettech.com. Thank you.